Hello Poshers! Welcome to my channel. My name is Jennpages and I'm here to help you with tips, clues, anything you need to know about Poshmark. I want this to be an interactive channel, so please do not hesitate to comment down below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and whatever else you have to do. You can also follow me on Instagram, Jennpages as well, and I will be posting up whatever it is I can. So first off, I want to give you an overview of what this channel is going to be about. This channel is going to be about Poshmark. It's going to be ways to sell, ways to package, ways to take cover shots. I'm basically going to give you tutorials and guidance on how you can be successful on Poshmark. I also wanted to incorporate some fun things, so I might be doing some skits and other things like that. Now, attached to this channel, there's going to be two other channels. There's going to be a vlog of how I do cover shots and just me working and having fun with it. And then there's also going to be another one that I'm going to be just doing inspirational videos, because I love to inspire and I want to inspire you, her, him, your mother, your father, your grandma, your great-grandma, whoever it is. I want to inspire people, and YouTube gives me that platform, so this is what I'm gonna do. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. So today I'm gonna basically tell you 5 quick tips that can help you be successful on Poshmark. Here we are. Tip number 1, cover shot. If someone doesn't like it, someone doesn't think it looks nice, if you don't make it look pretty, nobody's gonna buy it. So please make sure that when you do a cover shot, it is the best form that shirt, dress, whatever it is, has ever been in. You have to make people want to buy it. If they like how it looks, they will buy it. Maybe give them like on a hanger, but like decorate it. Don't just leave it plain. Don't just have really bad lighting. Try to make sure that you do it during the day with natural lighting. Whatever it is that you have to do, make sure that it is on point. You can also use an app to brighten up the picture if you need to, but make sure the cover shot is A+, because that is what people are looking for. That is what people are looking at. Why would they buy your shirt if they see the same shirt on someone else's page that looks so much better? It's just appealing to the buyer. Number 2 is getting followers. So the more followers you have, when you share your listings, more people see it. That is the goal. So what do? You don't just go to anyone random page and just follow random people. No, because a lot of people might not be active anymore, don't use it as much. You want people that are interactive. So what you do is you go to people's pages that have sold things and go to their likes and follow people that have liked their items, things like that. These people are interactive, you know that they use Poshmark, you know that they're liking stuff, you know that they're interested. Those are the people that you have to go for. Don't just follow random people, because it's just gonna lead to nothing and you're wasting time. So let's not do that. Tip number 3. The next tip is posting enough items so people would want to bundle. So first off, the more items you have, the more people that are looking for different kind of items will find your page. So having more items is always beneficial. So don't just post up 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 things at a time. Try to at least have 30, 40, 50 at a time, at least, like minimum. If you're trying to make this a business, I always say 100 to 200 minimum, because there's a lot of options and a lot of people are looking for stuff and they'll always be directed to your page. So that is very crucial to do that. Also, when you're listing your listings, make sure that you're putting the brand, because a lot of people just look by brand and your item will come up if you have the brand on it. So make sure that it is perfectly descriptive and you have everything that the item is on the page. So if it's an off-shoulder crop top, make sure you put the color. I usually put like white off-shoulder crop top. Number 4 is sharing. So this includes self-sharing and also sharing other people's closets. So what I have found to be very beneficial is self-sharing frequently, because like I said in the last tip, the more you share, the more frequent you share, the higher you come up on someone's search feed. So like if they're looking for the off-shoulder top and you just shared your listing, you'll be on the top of the search. And that's what you want. You want people to see your item first. And if you have a great cover shot, more than likely they're gonna click on yours and even buy or ask a question. So you want your item to be on the top of someone's search. So you have to share frequently. And to add to that, another good thing is to share other people's listings, because if they share your listings back, it's amazing because their followers see your listing even though they're not following you, and it leads a lot of traffic to your closet, which is exactly what you want. And last but not least, number 5. This one is possibly the most important one because it is crucial to getting sales. When someone asks a question or is on your page liking stuff, that is when you need to get them. Okay, so if someone asks a question, do not wait 24 hours, an hour, 3 hours to respond, because remember, that person is on Poshmark right now and they're looking for that specific item or an item like it. Problem is, there's a lot of people that are selling things, possibly selling the same item. So the faster you respond, the better it is for you, because you can close the sale. You want to make sure that you don't give them enough time to go to another page and purchase it from someone else. Maybe someone who has it lower, maybe someone who's going to just respond quicker. You don't know. So responding to people is crucial, responding right away. So I tend to like to respond within 30 minutes. If I see my phone. So I'm constantly like looking at my phone, making sure that I don't have any comments. If someone comments, I comment right away back if I see it. So make sure that your notifications are on for that, because that is crucial. I have had people who have wanted an item and literally 15 minutes later tell me, oh no, I got it somewhere else. So make sure that you are the one that gets the sale. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna make sure to make more videos. I'm gonna do packaging, I'm gonna do cover shots. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much everything. So if you have anything that you want to see, don't worry, this is an interactive channel. I want to be able to discuss things with you, and I want to be able to ask you guys what it is that you want to see. So just comment below anything that you want to see, any ideas. If you love the video, please let me know. If you want something different, just let me know. I am so willing to help, so willing to change and fix things and just accommodate my channel for you guys, because this is for you. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is jennpages, and I will be here to help you whenever you need. Thank you and have a wonderful day.